Today I'm going to be working on a 1997 Toyota Century.
The truth.
So today we're going to be changing out the wiper blades on the Century. This should be another short, sweet video, but I wanted to point out that you can't change the blades out this way with the hood closed. So let's go ahead and get the hood open, and then we'll be changing out the wiper blades from there. Alright, so now with the hood open, we have perfect access to our wiper blades. I come up a bit, and we should be able to take them off. Same on the other one. We'll be able to pop it up a bit, and then be able to take it off. Just like this, and we'll be able to get it off there. Now, it's always good to double check, but for the Century, at least the 97, both blades are 20-inch. Now, getting the new ones on there is pretty much reverse order. You're just going to kind of slide it into place, and it's going to click and lock in. And we can do the same thing to the other side. Difficult. And just a tip, if it's got this little plastic thing on there, just be sure to remove that. I was looking at the blades of the old one. They're not terrible, but they're not great either. I mainly replaced them because they were just starting to rust really bad, and I don't need all that nastiness on my nice car. But yeah, they're both getting kind of, this one's even worse. All that surface rust that was building on there. So yeah, just want to change them out, get some good ones on there, just in case it rains next time I drive it. Now, I know this video is pretty short and sweet, but I like doing these quick ones every once in a while. But I do hope the video helped. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. See you guys in the next one. If you liked any of the background music that was in this video, check out the link to the artist page down in the description of this video.